about Amelia Bajeli again takes the cake. Again Amelia Bajeli. There's so many Amelia. Okay, I'll just do the one page. It's about the brownie. There will be every pages will be brownie and one page will be a vanilla cake. Okay. So the first. Oh yes, we just do. Hey, bake sale, box for books. Oh, for books for box. Okay, that will be for like a library. Oh, this is the cake like vanilla I said. Remember? It's Angel food. Her name is Angel. My mom helped me make an angel food cake, said Angel. Amelia Bajalia thought everything Angel ate was angel food. I made chocolate chip brownie, said Chip. Of course, said Amelia Bajalia. She was excited to share the super chewy brownies she had made. Oh, I am also excited to eat them. Just then, Wade arrived with brownies, so did Dawn and Holly and Heather, Teddy and Clay brought brownies too. So did the rest of the class. Oh my goodness, that's so many. Guys, said Chip, this is a bake sale, not a brownie festival. It's not a brownie. Look, it's this bake sale over here. It's a bake sale? Miss Edwards, their teacher, arrived with a big glass jar to hold the money from the sale. My goodness, she said. I have seen lots of mix-ups, but this is the cake. Please do not take our cake, said Amelia, but this is the only one we have got. Oh no. Don't worry, I will buy the cake, said Miss Edwards. I have plans for it. Thank you, said Angel. She put the money from Miss Edwards in the big glass jar. Lucas, let's go in. Go ahead and get set up, said Miss Edwards. I will be back. Amelia Bajeli and her classmates stared at stacks of brownies. Look, these are the stacks of brownies. Maybe we should put out a few at a time, said Dawn. Clay and Teddy gave her idea a try. That looks weird, said Wade. We did a lot of baking, but I don't think we will sell a lot. This next page is my favorite part. I know, said Amelia, but let's put them all at once. It's my favorite part. Next page is my favorite part. I'm so excited. Okay. Wow, I like this part. This is my favorite part. Look at these brownies. The chewy brownie is my favorite. Okay, let me read. The brownies were all square. They were all about the same size, but the light cakey ones were tall and the dark chewy ones were short. Some had fluffy tops, others were smooth and flat. Wow, look, I like this smooth and flat, and this was the short cakey. No, the short chewy. This and this is the same one. This and this same one. Yum! And this one is like the light cakey, like this one. Light cakey, two light cakey, and two dark chewy. I like chewy. It's my favorite. This one is my favorite. So we look. This one is licking the chewy because chewy has so many chocolate cubes. I love chewy. My favorite. Others were smooth and flat. Teddy had put icing on his butt. Holly had dust to her butt. Holly dust her butt with powdered sugar. I love them. I wish I had some brownies. And you also have some brownies. I love the chewing. I love it. Yum, 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 yum. Love it. Like it. The baker stood back and to admire their work. That looks amazing, said Penny. I have never seen so much chocolate. Chocolate. I wish I like this book. I like this book. School said skip. They are the same but also not the same. This found a Caesar. Look what he's seeing. Wow, a big bottle for chocolate brownie. I wish to eat more purple. Look, Amelia, Badgeria and Cliff. This person is leaking. And here is Cliff and here is two Cliff. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Amelia, Badgeria. Oh, that's here. Cliff squinted his eyes too bad. We can't make one big brownie, he said. We could set the world record for biggest brownie. Amelia Badgery squinted her eyes. She could see what Cliff saw. He also saw something else. I don't know what Cliff saw something else. What? Oh, I know what this Cliff saw. I know first Cliff saw this and the second one. Amelia Badgery licking on that brownie. She also saw what? I think it's not Amelia. What? Is there something else? I'm going to think what's there something else. Some people say, I don't know, okay. Just live. She also saw something. She began moving brownies and here and there and everywhere. Amelia Badgery stood back to admire her work. Now that is one big brown E. She said, look, E for Amelia. Look, this is my food. Wow. This is just my name. Amelia is the letter E. Oh my goodness. Amelia Badgery. Please almost my name like this was everything me happening. Amelia, she said. Everyone laughed and cheered. That is amazing, said Angel. We need new signs, said Clay. Everyone go to the work. Look. Look at my feet. Everybody. Yes. Soon kids from other classes came to the bake sale. Parents and babysitters stopped by. So did teachers and bus drivers. The principal and the school nurse visited too. Everyone wanted to taste of the biggest brown E in town. Look. next page. Oh, it's one. Whoa! Whoa! Said Miss Edwards. I have been to many bake sales, but this really does take the cake. Look, that's too much of bake sales. Oh my goodness. No, you bought the cake, said Amelia Bulgaria. I had, said Miss Edwards. I thought the best bakers in town might like a snack when their work was done. Look, she said, the work has done, so they need my snack when they're so thirsty. I am so hungry. Thanks, Miss Edwards, said Angel while she was trying to smile. I do like angel fruit cakes, but I really wanted to try a brownie we sold out before I got this. Well, you can't have your cake and eat it too, said Miss Edwards. What good is having a cake if you can't eat it, said Amelia Boy. Oh, she's right. What good is having a cake if you can't eat it, said Amelia Boy. That's right, Amelia Evangelia. Good point, said Miss Edwards. She cut the cake into even slices. Oh no. Everyone enjoyed the treat this time. They could have their cake and eat it too. Look, at part 4 I read it, so I could say bye.